So what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, we're going to look at MyEcon 2025 global business opportunity that you can tap into now. Finally, MyEcon is going global, which is going to happen on March the 15th, which is this weekend coming up. So I want you to get locked in now, because I've had a few people, on my channel here ask me, was this a global opportunity? Can they, share it in their country and make money? Well, it's going to happen for them. If you're still interested in joining MyEcon, okay, you can get in MyEcon this weekend on March the 15th, okay, 2025, and start promoting this business opportunity. Now, what you're going to have the opportunity to promote as someone outside of the United States is the travel membership, and we're going to look at that in a minute. But you're also going to have an opportunity to promote these other products inside of MyEcon, to people within the United States. Now, you have to understand, MyEcon is a 20-year-old business opportunity. They are debt free, okay, and it has helped its associates, generate over $1 billion in assets. That's not for the company, that's for the individual people collectively together inside of MyEcon. Okay, so it has helped a lot of people here in the United States with correcting their W-4, fixing their credit, and things like that. So some of the things that you see here inside of MyEcon, my back office right now, such as debt elimination, minimizing taxes. This does not apply, to global. It does not apply to outside countries outside of the United States. However, you will have access to the travel membership, which is Zango Travel, and every time someone purchases Zango Travel through your affiliate link, you earn $35, per person. But as I said before, even though you are outside of the United States and you are in MyEcon, you can promote these other products to people inside of the United States and earn a commission on those as well. Now, for you to join the travel membership, I think it's going to be like $59.95, per month, but you're going to be able to earn $35 per person, that you get to join with you. And remember, all these other opportunities, inside of here to promote these other products that MyEcon offer, you're going to have access to those as well. So let's look at some of the countries that, the travel membership is available with. And so if I come over here to Zango Travel, if I click on nationality, it's going to pull up all of this list of countries here, starting with Afghanistan. And I'm not going to make this video too long, but you can just kind of pause the video, and I'm going to scroll through here. You can see some of the countries that this is available in right here. Okay, China, Cook Islands, Costa Rica, Cyprus, Egypt, Ethiopia, Fiji, France. I've seen France. So you see all of the countries here that you can actually, promote MyEcon in, starting May the 15th, okay, which is this weekend. Okay, so you can go ahead on and get access to it now by clicking the link that's in the description and go to that website, go to that site and put in your information so you'll be on the list for when this do go live. Or once you get to the next page after filling out your information, there's going to be a button, okay, for you to join our Facebook group so you can see what's going on inside of the Facebook group, okay, and be ready for this lunch to take place, MyEcon 2025 global lunch to take place. Because what's going to happen once you fill out the form on the next page, you're going to go on my list, and then I'm going to notify you, okay, keep you in the loop on what's going on. I'm going to notify you and tell you, okay, go ahead on, get started now when this goes live on March the 15th. So I want you to be ready. So these are all of the countries: Thailand, Tanzania, okay, United States, we know, United Kingdom, all of these right here. And then it just starts all over again. You can pause this video. I kind of just pause a little bit and scroll up through here, and you can see if your country's in here or not. Okay, just kind of give you an idea. But you get access to this, and like I said, you're able to join for $59.95. You have to put that over into your currency to actually see, what's that going to what is going to be your investment in your currency style, okay, or your currency and things like that. So you have to check that out. Now, all of this right here, you see, these are all of the countries. So you can see if your country's here. I'm going to scroll a little bit more, kind of pause a little bit, see if your country's here. And now MyEcon, as I said before, I've been in MyEcon, you know, for a while now. I've been in since October 2024 this year, but I have been in MyEcon in the past, and it's a great business opportunity, you know, for a company to be in business for 20 something years and to be debt free. That says a whole lot with the with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau as well, and helping its associates, you know, cash flow over $1 billion, which means that's putting money back into their affiliates pockets, back into their homes, not only as being an affiliate, but also with the strategies inside of MyEcon. Okay, so you get all of that there, and as I said before, you're able to promote other opportunities in here. Your back office is going to be here. Once you log in, you're going to come to the travel membership, is what you're going to see. Then you're going to have also, you know, automated system to help you promote MyEcon in your country, okay, and inside of the United States. So you're going to have access to all of this stuff as well. You're going to have your own back office. You're able to go up here and see the BMC home, which is what we're on now. Okay, you're able to see all of the products and things like that. You'll be able to see your account, messages, and all of this information is going to be available to you here inside of your MyEcon back office. Now, when you're ready to get ready, you feel you're ready to get started, go ahead on and click that link that's in the description right now. Get signed up, you know, on my list, so you'll be notified when we go live on March the 15th. Okay, because I want you to go ahead on and lock in your spot. I believe you're not going to be disappointed by joining MyEcon, especially a company that, you know, has this interest invested in its affiliates, in which they want to invest in you as well. And don't worry, if you need any help, we have live calls and training that's going to help you out. As a matter of fact, let me show you our support Facebook group right now. Okay, so this is our, you know, Facebook group that you're going to get access to. You're going to come in here. We already have like over, you know, almost 6,000 members inside of this group. Okay, so you can come in here. We have live training every day unless something comes up. You know, we give you posts that you can put on your profile, you know, to attract more people that's coming, you know, posts like this right here. All of this right here, everything that you need, you're going to have access to. We have different people doing training in here, so you will not be left alone inside of here. Also, we're going to give you access to some tools that are going to help you as well. So let me pull those up. So this is a free, you know, site that you're going to get access to, a free training sites that's going to help you with your marketing, you know, and things like that. So we're giving you access to this as well once you join our team. So you're going to have access to all of this. So I just wanted to really shoot this video so you'll be aware of joining MyEcon on March the 15th. Okay, lock in your spot, get on, click the link that's in the description, get on the list so you'll be notified, and I'll show you what that looks like. So when you click the link that's in the description below, you're going to come to this page right here. Just simply put in your first name, your best email address. Once you do that and click to send info, you're going to come to this page right here. You want to check your email. Make sure you check your email, move everything. If you find my email in your spam, move it over to your primary and make sure you whitelist it so you won't miss out on any information that I'm sending you about this global launch. Okay, you can join the Facebook group by getting here, and you can smash this button to get started, okay, when it goes live for you outside of, you know, the United States. Now, if you're in the United States, you can smash this button right here and go ahead on, and it's going to open up in a new tab. Watch this short video, click the join now button, and you're ready to go. So with that being said, go ahead on, click the button in the description. Come to this page, fill it out, and go through the next step. I'm looking forward to working with you inside of MyEcon. I hope you got value from this video. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.